While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Calm body. Let's begin. Grounded standing. Stand upright with feet hip-width apart, pressing evenly through the feet into the ground. Keep the spine tall, shoulders relaxed, and arms resting naturally by your sides. Breathe slowly and feel stability, balance, and calm presence through the whole body. Gentle neck release. Sit or stand comfortably with the spine tall. Slowly tilt your head to one side, bringing the ear toward the shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Relax the neck and breathe deeply, feeling a soft stretch and gentle release of tension. Soft side bend. Stand or sit with the spine tall. Gently raise one arm overhead and lean to the opposite side, keeping the shoulders relaxed and the chest open. Breathe slowly, feeling a soft stretch along the side of the body and ease in the movement. Forward fold ease. Stand with feet hip-width apart and gently fold forward from the hips, letting the head and arms relax toward the floor. Keep the knees slightly bent and the neck soft. Breathe calmly, releasing tension in the back and feeling a gentle stretch through the body. Wide leg relax. Stand with feet wide apart and let the arms rest naturally by your sides or on your hips. Keep the spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Breathe slowly and evenly, feeling grounded through the feet and releasing tension in the body. Low lunge rest. Step one foot forward into a low lunge, keeping the back knee on the floor. Relax the hips and lift the chest gently. Breathe slowly, feeling release and openness through the hips and legs. Seated forward ease. Sit with legs extended in front of you and spine tall. Gently fold forward from the hips, letting the arms and head relax toward the legs. Keep the shoulders soft and the breath steady, feeling a gentle stretch and release along the back and legs. Cross-legged calm. Sit comfortably with legs crossed and spine tall. Rest the hands on your knees or thighs. Shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly and feel grounded, centered, and calm throughout the body. Seated side release. Sit tall with legs crossed or extended. Gently reach one arm overhead and lean to the opposite side, keeping the spine long and shoulders relaxed. Breathe deeply, feeling a gentle stretch along the side body and ease in the movement. Supine knee hug. Lie on your back and draw both knees gently toward your chest, wrapping your arms around them. Keep the spine long and shoulders relaxed. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling a comforting stretch in the lower back and hips. Seated spinal twist. Sit tall with legs crossed or extended. Gently twist the torso to one side, placing one hand on the opposite knee and the other hand behind you for support. Keep the spine long and shoulders relaxed. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling a gentle twist and release through the spine. Supported bridge. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Place a block or cushion under the sacrum for support, letting the hips rest gently, arms relaxed by your sides. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, feeling a gentle lift and opening through the chest, hips, and spine. Deep rest, Savasana. Lie comfortably on your back with arms and legs relaxed. Close your eyes and let the body fully release. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, sinking into stillness, complete relaxation and calm presence.